Hey there, fellow wanderers. Today, I'll be taking you on a virtual journey to one of the most picturesque and tranquil hill stations in India. Welcome to Kodaikanal. Situated in the southern state of Tamil Nadu, Kodaikanal is often referred to as the Princess of Hill Stations. And rightfully so. With its mild climate, lush greenery, and breathtaking landscapes, it's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to simply unwind or seek some thrilling experiences, Kodaikanal has something for everyone. Just take a look at these incredible attractions. One of the highlights of Kodaikanal is its pristine natural beauty. With dense forests and picturesque valleys, this place offers numerous opportunities for trekking, hiking, and camping. The breathtaking views from the trails will leave you in awe. One of my personal favorites is Coca's Walk, a paved path that spans around 1 kilometer. As you stroll along this scenic route, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the hill station, including the enchanting valleys and the distant mountains. And then, there's the mesmerizing Kodai Lake. Spread over 60 acres, this man-made wonder is the perfect spot for boating or simply enjoying a leisurely walk around its perimeter. The cool breeze and the tranquil surroundings make it an ideal place to relax and rejuvenate. Apart from its natural beauty, Kodaikanal is also home to several unique attractions. Bryant Park, famous for its exotic flowers and horticultural treasures, is a destination to revel in the vibrant colors and fragrances of nature. And don't forget to visit the Pillar Rocks, a set of 3 gigantic rock formations that offer an awe-inspiring view. And speaking of unforgettable experiences, Kodaikanal showcases a rich cultural heritage. The bustling local markets, filled with handmade crafts and spices, are a treat to explore. Don't miss the chance to visit the tea plantations and indulge in the flavors of fresh, locally grown tea. From traditional dances to vibrant festivals, the people of Kodaikanal embrace their cultural roots wholeheartedly. You can witness their enthusiasm and joie de vivre during events like Pongal, Holi, and the Kodaikanal Summer Festival. At the end of the day, Kodaikanal's magic lies in its ability to soothe your soul and reconnect you with nature. So, whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or simply in need of a serene getaway, Kodaikanal is the perfect destination to satisfy your wanderlust. So pack your bags, set your compass, and embark on an unforgettable journey to Kodaikanal, where the serenity of the mountains beckons and adventures await. Until next time, happy exploring.